Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change two-factor authentication on your Indeed. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, if you're on your phone, launch the Indeed app. If you're on your computer, head over to your preferred web browser and navigate to the Indeed website. Once you're in the Indeed website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new account first. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to change the two-factor authentication method, you need to go to your profile settings. Here you can see the profile icon, click on it. Now choose the settings option over here. You will be taken to the settings page. Here you can see the account settings option. Usually you will see the two-factor authentication method over here. If you don't find it here you can see the security settings option. Click on it. Once you are in the security settings page, here you will be able to see the two-factor authentication option. So from here, you can change your security settings by enabling two-factor authentication method. You can see the add two-factor authentication option over here. You can click on it. You can choose your preferred method, whether you want to have an authenticator app or receive text message. So choose accordingly. So that's it. That's how you can change your two-factor authentication method on your Indeed account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.